So, welcome. As you may notice, it's a cool day today. It's mid of November and it's time to prepare this beauty for its technical inspection. And the dog is not amused, but she is behind the fence. But we're due. This is not worrisome, it's cold. The car has been sitting in the garage for quite some time, and today we'll take a look under the car. Better background. Trying to find out how bad oil spillage is under the car. I think not too bad. And after that, for our S212 we need to change to winter tires. So let's see how it goes. And first discovery, and I didn't see that after my last driving, I lost a piece of chrome trim. I was hoping it was sitting in the garage, but it didn't. So, I need that one. No. Okay, see you. So, let's take a look. As we know, safety first. I do not rely on these. Of course I do rely on these, but I put some wooden pieces behind the back tire, so there's no rolling back for the car. Let's take a look. So what we see here is a wax. The car is totally waxed, which is great. Quite different experience from what we saw from the C-Class Mercedes earlier on. So this looks really nice. Motor completely dry. Excellent. Oil pan dry. But here on the automatic transmission we see some oil. I wondered if I need some brake cleaner, but I guess I don't. I think I can just take a rug and clean it all. Just a wipe and the car is all set for the technical inspection. So this would be the starter motor, a bit rusted. This is what we see, which was repaired new. Those new, how do you call it, bushings, replaced on both sides, pressed into those levers. No bolts, no nuts. Also, you can see from our last intervention with Thomas, new brake calipers, new brake pads, and old discs. So, car looks good. You don't need to watch me wiping the car. This one will be a quick one. I'll clean it and park the car outside and bring the other car in front of the garage so we can change the tires and try our new uggadugga. What you hear in the background is the dog not being too satisfied with my work. What I did not mention is that in the meantime the garage did change the engine mounts from an aftermarket brand back to the original Mercedes-Benz equipment, and all vibrations are gone, so the car is in perfect shape now. Now, also very nicely to tighten those bolts with the uggadugga. It's so easy, man. I did this for years by hand. It is so easy. Don't tighten them too much, because I want to apply the right Newton meters later on. This is just getting them ready to lower the car. Nice, nice, nice. Good tools is so important. What is the dog saying? Tools are important. I guess she agrees.